Technology like Out the Cow Watch is definitely preparing for next generation.
I am the manager at Carter Creek Cattle. We have 3,000 heifers at our facility. When I get here in the morning, I look through Cow Watch, see how many heifers are going to need to be bred today. Before we got the system, we were running 90% on preg rate, and then now we're running 99% for like the last 2 years. There's hardly ever a heifer open at preg check. Our preg rate has increased by 7-8 points probably in the last 2 years, just from the system picking up heifers more efficiently. For getting as many heifers as we are getting pregnant, and the turnover and the cost of feed, we could pay for the system in 2 to 3 years.
I think it's pretty easy for everyone to agree that technology is only becoming more and more part of our daily lives, and finding ways to integrate it now is setting up for future success.